How to add collaborations on Instagram after posting. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply show you how you can invite collaborators to your Instagram post after you've already posted it. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now just open up Instagram and then come to your profile page. Select a post in which you want to add the collaborator. So I'll select this one. So right over here you can see I've actually invited someone to actually collaborate on this post, but let's say that there is a post that doesn't have the collaboration already. So I'll just select this one, and then maybe you want to go ahead and then add collaboration. To do that, just tap on the three dots and then tap on edit. And then what you can do is you can actually tag people. Now collaborating is also similar to tagging, but on tagging it will not get posted on the other person's profile, but when you collaborate with someone and then they accept it, they will be able to post it to their profile respectively as well. So after you've already posted it, there is no way you can directly collaborate with someone, because this is simply how Instagram works. They don't allow you to actually go ahead and add collaborators to an already existing Instagram post. The only thing you can do is you can tag people by tapping on the tag option over here, and then you will be able to simply add a few people right over here by simply searching for a specific tag and then searching for their name right over here. Once you search for the name, just tap on the arrow icon here, tap on arrow, and then they will be successfully tagged to this account. But keep in mind that if you have not yet actually invited, you will not be able to do so. The only thing you have to do is delete this post, and then when you repost it, you have to invite them as a collaborator. So hope this video helped you. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.